Telogen.
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 What?
Telogen.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So it's been a while since I've done a video because I have been under the weather. So don't get too close. But I have, however, been on Facebook quite a bit. So if you haven't joined me there, come on over. I post all kinds of everyday super boring stuff. So I think you'll like it. Today we're going to talk about hair and all those things you read about making your hair grow super fast, super long. And I'm sure you've seen all over the internet various ways to do that. There are supplements you can take to get long hair. There are certain shampoos or masks that you can rub onto your head to stimulate the scalp and stimulate hair growth. And the latest thing that I've seen, which is a recipe to make your hair grow super fast. And I don't even know what to say about it. It's on Instagram. It starts out with a girl, some hair, day 1, day 14. And it looks like 13 days later, her hair has grown about that much. And it's all due to this recipe, which here's what it consists of. She grates an onion and then puts it through a strainer, gets all the juice out, and then cuts up an aloe vera plant, puts it in boiling water with coconut oil, and after boiling that, puts it into a spray bottle along with the onion juice, and then proceeds to spritz it on her hair and kind of rub it in. And they advise to leave that on for 40 minutes and to repeat that twice a week. Apparently your hair will grow about that much if you do that. So I did tell you that this video was on growing your hair super fast, and it is. It's actually about the fact that you can't. The truth is, you guys, you can't make your hair grow any faster. It grows at the rate that it grows. But there are things you can do to get healthier hair, which in turn becomes longer hair. So we're going to talk about that, as not to be a complete bummer about the subject. Now, the average rate of hair growth is about ½ an inch per month. That's 6 inches per year. But certain people's hair grows faster than others, and it has a lot to do with heredity. Asian hair grows the fastest, while African hair grows the slowest. The difference there being about 2 inches more or less than the other. Also, researchers think that hair grows faster during the summertime. This is due more to dietary changes than it is to whether the different fruits and vegetables that are available, as well as a shift in hormones and getting more sunlight. Okay, so here is where we get to the possibilities of better growth. Your hair grows in 3 stages. The anagen phase is called the active growth phase, and each strand of hair stays in that phase for 2 to 8 years. This means at any given time, 80 to 90% of your hair is in the anagen phase. Now, seeing as that is the active growth stage, unfortunately, there is no way to turn that on or make it go any faster. You can, however, prolong the phase's length simply by keeping your hair healthy. Now, the catagen phase is where the hair stops growing, and this lasts about 4 to 6 weeks. That's what the holdup is. The telogen phase is the one that we're not so fond of, and that is where your hair falls out. And the average person loses about 100 strands of hair per day, and that's totally normal. But don't worry about that, because that hair has already stopped growing, so it's not helping your hair get any longer anyway. Now I'm going to talk about some of the things you can do to make it seem like your hair is growing faster. Hair breaking and falling out is due to a number of reasons. There is overprocessing, there is pulling your hair back in a really tight ponytail, there is lack of moisture in the hair so it breaks more easily, and basically just not taking proper care. A very important part of growing long, healthy hair is your diet. So in a sense, all those supplements that say grow your hair fast, what they mean is grow your hair long, and do this by taking healthy vitamins. Those vitamins, of course, are biotin and keratin, vitamins A, C, D, and E, as well as minerals, iron, and zinc. This will keep your hair healthy and allow it to grow. So the answer to the question, can you really grow your hair faster, is that the healthier you keep your hair and body, the stronger it will be, the less it will fall out or break, therefore giving it more time to grow. This also includes sleep and managing your stress. You can't avoid stress. People say avoid stress for all kinds of things, and in actuality, there is no way to avoid it. For instance, what if you're getting a divorce? Are you supposed to pretend that that's not happening? No, you cope with it the best that you can. So basically they mean deal with stress properly. So the answer is probably more scientific than we wanted it to be, but the simple truth is there is no way to grow your hair faster. There is no way to get your body to pump out those dead cells as quickly as you want it to. Same goes for fingernails. Fingernails grow about 3 millimeters per month. And just like with hair, the only way you can get them to grow long is to take very good care of them. So the next time you see an advertisement claiming that you can get your hair to grow faster, I think what they mean is there is a way to get healthier hair in order to see your hair grow longer. I think we should just look at it as less hair breakage and less hair loss. That is what you can achieve. So that's it, you guys, for this video on the truth about growing your hair faster. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.